Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add chroma key in CapCut PC. If you're new to CapCut PC and you don't know how to add chroma key to your videos, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. At first, open the CapCut app. Click on Create Project to create a new project. Now click on Import to import the video that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this video. Click on Import. Now you can simply drag it to the timeline like this. Here, to add the chroma key, all you have to do is go to this section right here and click on Remove Background. And you can see two options, Auto Removal and Chroma Key. Simply click on Chroma Key and select this color picker and choose the area of the video that you want to add chroma key to, just like this. Here you can increase or decrease its intensity like this from the slider. Mostly the chroma keys are used in green screen, so I'll show you how it's done. Simply click on Import again and import any green screen from your device, just like this. Click on Import and add it to your timeline like this. You can increase the size of the green screen just like this. Here, go to Remove BG, click on Chroma Key and select this color picker and select this green color. Now you can increase its intensity just like this to reveal the background. For now, I'll keep it like this. And now if we play it, it'll look like this. And just like this, we can add chroma key in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.